Well, hello there. This is Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, the government has suspended sugarcane milling in the upper and lower western regions amid an acute shortage of mature sugarcane. Acting Kenya Sugar Board CEO Jude Chesire in a letter said that the affected facilities are Nzoia Sugar, Busia Sugar Industry, West Kenya Naitiri Unit, Butali Sugar Mills, Mumias Sugar and West Kenya Olepito Unit. However, the Kenya Union of Sugarcane Plantation Workers now wants the closed mills to come up with a working formula to provide smooth transition during the period. Bramwell Bire with the details.
The Kenya Sugar Board has yet again closed several sugar mills in Western region for a period of 3 months of a cane shortage. In a letter addressed to CS Agriculture Mutahi Kagwe, the board says the decision was arrived at after reports indicated inadequate cane development to match milling capacity, something that has led to harvesting and subsequent milling of immature cane. The temporary closure, which will last for a period of 3 months, will start on Monday next week. However, the Kenya Union of Sugarcane Plantation and Allied Workers is advocating for smooth transition for workers when the sugar millers are shut down.
It has a negative impact to my members, because those 3 months that employees are going to stay away without working, then we have to engage management on how to sustain those employees. When they are not operating, they are not producing, but they have to be sustained when they are not running. So it is a challenge that we have to face, but I urge my branch officials and my officers on the ground to engage management and have a smooth transition over this period.
The union also wants this to be the last time the millers are being shut and proposes new methods such as early maturing yields to be adopted.
The farms have continued to shrink with the families growing up, and the farms are shrinking. The option we have is early maturing yields that will rescue the situation. There are yields that can be harvested within 12 months. It will have matured. That is what we should go for.
KTN.
Now, Kenya's tourism stakeholders are partnering with hoteliers to push niche segments